So if you want to deploy your website using Vercel but don't know where to start, don't worry. Yeah, I'll walk you through everything step by step in a really simple way. First thing first, go to the Vercel website and create an account. You can sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or even email, and it only takes a few seconds. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Add New Project and import your repository. If your project is already on GitHub, Vercel will automatically detect it so you don't have to do much manually. After that, you'll see some configuration options like Framework, Build Command, and Output Folder. Most of the time, Vercel detects everything correctly, so you can just leave it as default and continue. Now click on the Deploy button and let Vercel build your project. It usually takes a few seconds to a minute, depending on your project size. Once it's done, you'll get a live URL, and your website is instantly online and accessible to anyone. One of the best features is automatic deployment, which means whenever you push updates to your GitHub repository, Vercel will automatically rebuild and update your site without you doing anything. You can also connect a custom domain if you want a more professional look. Just go to Settings, add your domain, and follow the steps. And that's it. Your website is now live using Vercel. Yeah, super simple and very powerful for beginners. So if you want to deploy